And does it help when you get the shout outs?
Of course, we always get our DM is flooded. What is the price of the outfit which Prerna Wahi is wearing? And there are many queries whenever you have posted about us.
Hi everyone. So today my dear friend is here all the way from Bangalore, Mithi Mishra.
Hello, so happy to be here.
Mithi runs her own designer label and is also a content creator. In fact, the outfit that I'm wearing today is one of my favorites from her collection. Mithi runs her own designer label by the name of Antara and Mithi with her sister Antara. They started the brand about 15 years back and do contemporary Indian and modern Western wear. She also pursues her passion to create relatable content relating to parenting, lifestyle, and fashion. She also works with premium brands to increase their visibility and connect with the right audience like you. So sitting on this couch, do you want to manifest anything?
Is this turning into a manifestation couch similar to what Coffee with Karan has? Like people coming and manifesting their partners?
I wish I had my own show on Netflix.
But I'm already married. What do I manifest?
Being the top creator in the country.
Yes, that's I'm already manifesting.
So tell us, Mithi, how do you juggle all the roles? Designer, parent, creator, influencer?
I think juggle is the right word because it's very difficult to manage everything in one go. But then I let it naturally blend in. Other than forcefully balancing it, I let it naturally blend in and things just happen.
So a lot of the creators don't know that you have your own designer label. Why? What is the reason? Why have you kept it hush-hush?
There's no specific reason as such, but I like to keep both my lives little separated, I would say. I don't like to mix both of them because that way it's easier for me to deal in both the roles. So that is the reason. Otherwise, there's no specific reason. It's not that whenever I am wearing something of my own, or I give due credits and I mention it, I put up a content wearing that. And it's like that also. Whenever you guys are wearing, you are giving due credits, and it's always been like that.
And does it help when you get the shout outs?
Of course, we always get our DM is flooded. What is the price of the outfit which Prerna Wahi is wearing? And there are many queries whenever you have posted about us.
Who's your dream model? Who would you like to dress in your designer label?
I think I would love to dress up somebody who can add their own element in each stitch and the silhouette we create, and who value their own journey as well. But somebody who's sophisticated and yet bring the wild side of it. Somebody like Audrey Hepburn meeting Rihanna, somebody of that side of personality.
That's a wild combination. I would love that. But what if we talk about somebody closer home?
Always my mom, because we started our designing label by dressing her up, and she's always been so experimentative and all enthused about it. Let's do this, let's try that. So that's how even we started our labels. So it has to be my mom.
So we are also two sisters, and I know how that relationship goes. So I really want to ask you this. How's it running a brand with your sister? Is it all smooth or are there disagreements?
I think it's parts of everything, because at one moment you have somebody who have your back, and the other moment you have somebody who knows all your blind spots.
Yeah.
So yes, disagreements is a part of it, but then it's healthy and it's always add to our visions.
Absolutely. And I think if both of you were the same, one would be unnecessary.
Yeah,
so it's good
absolutely.
that you have different
Considering
ideas.
we both are sisters, but then our personalities, our thought process, our way of working are absolutely different.
Yeah.
So yes, disagreement is a part of working.
Right. So this is my favorite question. As a designer, have you been asked for free clothes from people you know or just your friends? And how do you handle that?
A lot of times, and to my surprise, such different personalities of people I've always known pops up when such things happens. And it's like, you can understand the person really well when such incidents happens. But yes, I'm good at ignoring and dealing with such situations.
Now this is going to be a tricky one for you. You're lucky to follow your passion to design clothes and create content. Which of the two roles do you enjoy more?
It's like choosing your favorite child. So design is something, creating art in silence, wherein content creation is like, shouting from the rooftop and bringing out the inner self. But yeah, there are days when I want to do either of the things, so that's how it works.
And which is closer to you in personality, shouting from the rooftop or doing it alone?
There are days, trust
me.
I have both in me.
Yeah.
So there are days that I just don't want to do anything and just be quiet and peacefully do whatever I want to do.
Yeah.
Although being a mom, it's very difficult,
Yeah.
but I still try to do that. And content creation is like, be yourself and just put yourself out there in
Yeah.
front of everybody, in front of the lens, with no filters at all.
Yeah.
At least we try to do that as much as possible.
Absolutely. And I think you're a natural. As soon as the camera is on, it comes
Yes,
out naturally.
Yes,
So,
absolutely. And that I think my son has also taken from me.
So what are the challenges you faced as a designer?
Oh, there are many, but I think the biggest of all is managing the team, because there are different roles that, there's somebody to do embroidery, somebody to stitch, somebody to deliver, and then managing everyone smoothly. It's very difficult, especially when you have done loads of work and it's festive and it's the busy time of the year. But the other challenge also I would like to add here is dealing with the clients. So some of them are very sweet, very smooth, all things go very like we planned. Like if I name you on top of it all, that my entire team knows that okay, it's Prerna, it's easy. But there are some people, it gets very difficult because they want everything in one single outfit. So to convince them with the idea that, this might not look good and what we are thinking but will not come out as what we have in mind is a very difficult task.
Do you want to spill any names here?
No.
So tell me, Mithi, if you were not a designer or a content creator, what would you be doing?
I think I'll be an actress. The drama queen in me always pops out when I make content. So I think actress can be a good choice.
I vouch for that. I love your expressions, the way you enact them. Awesome. So tell us, who does Mithi look up to? Which designer or content creator?
Actually, it's very difficult to pinpoint one because I've been surrounded with some amazing women, starting from my mom, and then leading to my sister, and then some amazing friends I've met through my journey. But then definitely I would say primarily my mom and my sister, because I've always seen them balancing and juggling in their own lives, and I think I have taken that part from them and implemented that in my life, and that's how it's going.
Who's your favorite creator?
Who's my favorite creator?
Yeah.
Myself. I just like myself.
Modesty hai.
Me. Self-obsessed.
Okay, if I have to push you, besides yourself, who's your favorite creator?
Very difficult question, yaar. But yeah, there are a lot of people who are doing great. I think Boho Girl, Diksha Khurana, all these girls are doing a really good job, and they've been doing it since really long time now.
Yeah. So I'm sure you have a lot of competition in the field of a designer. Who's your favorite designer besides yourself?
This is one zone where I'm not my favorite designer, but I've always loved Gaurav Gupta's silhouettes and how he plays with the Indian silhouettes and bring the Western element to it. So I have always loved his designs, and I've always envisioned creating something similar to that with my own element to it.
Yeah. Share with us a funny advice that you've received as a parent.
Oh, there were many, but one tops it all. That I was advised to eat and drink all white stuff so that bacha gora paida ho.
Oh my God, how many times have we heard that? So what title would you give to your autobiography?
That's a difficult one, but let me try. Maybe something like Stitched Together. Conversation, content, and chaos.
Yeah, true for all of us. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Chaos, entertainment, and drama.
And I'll add to that she's a very loyal friend, always there for all her friends, which is something I love and admire about her. So thank you, Mithi, for taking out the time and for this wonderful conversation today.
Pleasure is all mine, and I'm so happy that you started this series. I've always envisioned you like that, with something which comes differently and which resonates with your personality. It's like talking to people, and that's always been your thing, I felt. So it's a great start.
Yeah, so I have to add this, and Mithi has been a strong driving force for me. She's been pushing me to do this, and I'm glad I'm finally doing it. And she's one of the first guests who's coming on the show. So thank you.
I'm glad you took my suggestion.
So we had a lot of fun recording this episode. I hope you had as much fun watching it. Stay tuned for the next one.